Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Fiat 500 Abarth vs Audi RS6, which is better. Watch the acceleration tests first, and then follow my guided comparison sections using timestamps. I'll explain core differences in power, handling, comfort, and daily usability with simple language. You'll hear measurable impressions and practical advice for buyers deciding between a hot hatch mentality and a high-power estate car. I'll describe engine feel, acceleration, and braking in ways anyone can understand. Expect clear distinctions. One car chases raw speed and stability, while the other rewards playful driving in tight spaces. I'll reference 0-60 impressions, throttle responsiveness, and steering feedback from real drives. By the end, you'll know which car suits spirited runs, long highway trips, or tight urban commutes based on measurable behavior and driver focus. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more videos and help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof containers for road trip snacks, and they save messy trunks, so consider them a funny but practical bridge between cars and daily life. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick what suits you. Now let's get back to the video. We'll compare luggage space, passenger comfort, and everyday usability for grocery runs and road trips. I'll outline typical fuel economy differences and expected maintenance items that affect ownership budgets. You'll get a straightforward look at insurance brackets and resale tendencies so you can evaluate total cost of ownership. My goal is to make those financial trade-offs easy to understand alongside the driving sensations of each car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.